Hello, good evening. Hello, Dallas, Texas in the house. Kenneth Kirk, welcome. Welcome, everybody. Nightly market update, stockmarketmojo.com. This is Navi, and I'm coming to you live via periscope.tv/Navi avatar. And this is stockmarketmojo.com live. Hey, how's it going, guys? How's it going? Deja, welcome. Welcome, everybody. TZ Trader, how are we doing? Shannon 984, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. How we doing? Welcome, people. StockMarketMojo.com, daily update. And, yeah. So once again, guys, let's look what our friend Google did today. They changed their name. They called themselves Alphabet, and Alphabet does many things. Not just Google search, not just Google Plus. I mean, just a multiple, not Google car, multiple opportunities. Yes, Monster, will you not believe? And of course, Wall Street was too low, and it just went right over the top and destroyed the estimates. Also, they announced over a 500,000 share buyback. Yes. So the gold was doing great too. And as we called the gold accumulation about 2 weeks ago, and we've been on an uptrend. Yeah. So basically, guys, it was kind of clear on the chart, after we had that huge dip. In January, we saw the accumulation coming in, and we said, hey, this looks like the big guys, the money's coming right back in here. And then you saw the money starting to turn up. So when the money's starting to turn up, we're like, all right, let's look at the other indicators. What else do we have in here? Well, we looked at the accumulation distribution line, same thing, moving up. Then we look at the CCI. In January, you can see how it got almost negative 200. And as you see, whenever it gets to negative 200, like these two places, it does a huge gap up, as it did back here in October. So it's a similar setup. We saw the setup, and we alerted it to our subscribers. Rocky's in the house. Hello. First day for the Rock. Rock is in the house. First day as a subscriber, and he totally destroys it. He totally takes it down. Unbelievable. Welcome, Rock. All right, man. This guy's just like, he was unbelievable today. He was one of the sharpest guys out there, and he hit it straight. His first straight out of the chute, it was Google. I mean, he was fired up. He was ready to go. He did not wait for the second trade. He's like, Navi, just let me get Google first. I said, all right, here you go. You take Google. And, of course, then I went in over the top, and I just kicked ass on Priceline, right? Came over the top on the 1240s, right around the 325 level, and bam, about 20 minutes under the trade, they hit $6. So I mean, we're talking 100% in 20 minutes on Priceline.com. The negotiator, William Shatner, Captain Kirk, was back in orbit today. So as Captain Kirk was back in orbit, our subscribers killed it yet again. And I mean, that was a 1-2 knockout punch that destroyed pretty much any credibility that other option houses had so far that were trying to tout their trades. And yes, sir. So, and then of course we called the bottom in Netflix at 91. We're like, cover your puts that we were in from 93. I said, cover your puts, guys. We're going long. I put 3 wide receivers out there. I threw the ball. Netflix picked it up, ran it in. It was another 70% score first thing in the morning on Netflix. So, guys, I mean, that was a trifecta at that point. I could have called a day. I could have gone home. I could have said, hey, it's, 7 a.m. I got to go, But what did I do? What I did was I did rope-a-dope. I'm like, I gotta knock this shit out. That's right. I said, I'm gonna knock this shit out. And I went in and I brought in Exxon. And of course, the Zika virus is going to kill South America. But hey, Exxon's got the cure. Now we had the trade at 29, hit almost 33. Unfreaking believable. While everybody else was writing INO, who doesn't have a product or FDA or money, we got on the real deal, XON. Guys, 29 bucks was your entry. Anywhere under 30, you got in, you got paid. Simple as that. Bing, bang, boom. So the thing is, I could have stopped there and I could have said, hey, this is it. You know, let's go home. Let's wrap it up. Good show, 8:15 a.m. But no, I had more left in the tank and you guys got that. So without giving everything all away for free, needless to say, our subscribers did everything that they needed to do, made the big money, and positioned themselves of what is going to happen tomorrow. So this is the situation. Let's welcome everybody that's joining us today. Of course, Rocky's here, Brian, Kiflu, Zeplik 3 is here, Jeremy, JLUPD 102, Mr. Ravi, Safety Exchange, Cordy, of course, Traders here, Kirk Kinnick, and CJ. Welcome, CJ. CJ is a new subscriber. CJ's day number 1, I believe, today as well. CJ, are you killing it? Are you destroying it? How did you do today? I want to hear from CJ. CJ was the guy. All right, Kiflu's here. Kiflu, thank you very much. There he is. That's him. All right, all right. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. He's a Navy guy, guys. My respect to the troops that serve us, and my hats off to them. And I welcome CJ from the Navy right here, direct to stockmarketmojo.com. And there you go. Money's money, baby. And we talked about that. We talked about that. All right. All right. Now you know why we talk about that. Okay, we'll bring this back. We'll get a live shot here, and we'll see what we can do. All right, you got it, my man. I mean, you know, no matter what we hit, everybody said 150, 170. Shit's gonna crash. Market's down 130 points. It's all over. We were up 390. This is gonna dump. Everybody had the hullabaloo on. Jim Cramer had a, you know, hissy fit going. I mean, you saw what was going on. Everybody's in panic. Oil was dumping. And what did Navi say? Buy, right? Now we said buy. Okay. You know, you got 20%, like my friend Deja, you book it. You got 40%, like my friend Deja, you book it. You got 50%, like my friend Rocky, you book it. It's what you want. It's what you want, guys. What you want is what you get. You want 20%, take it home. You want 40%, take it home. You want 100%, maybe you'll drop back. Take the 50. What? Raise your stop. You know, raise your stop. That's all I can tell you. There was plenty of 50% today. There was 190, 100%. There was no excuse not to make money today. Absolutely. Money was there. If you didn't book it, obviously you have to learn more about pulling the trigger. But this is something that we go over in the class every single day. Pull the trigger. I don't care if it's $1, if it's 10 bucks, if it's 100 bucks, if it's 1,000 bucks. Get used to taking profit. Once you're used to taking profit, 10 grand and 2 grand and 500 bucks is going to be the same to you. Numbers don't going to mean shit. All it's going to mean is for profit. Numbers don't mean crap. They're going to add up at the end of the day. One day you make 10 grand, one day you make 100 bucks. It don't mean anything. Once you know how to take a profit, you will make that money. That's as simple as that. This is a concept we have to repeat, we have to learn, and we have to learn to take profits. Because if we don't take profits, the M&Ms will take it from us. Simple as that. Simple concept, bears repeating, bears learning. All right. So I'm really hyped up, really glad you guys, you know, just so happy. I couldn't be happier today. You know, that's it, man. That's the whole end of that shit. At the end of the rainbow, there's a pot. And if you don't run and take that pot, the M&Ms are going to take it away. Market makers. StockMarketMojo.com. Click specials and you are in, my friend. Send me a direct message at NaviAvatar1 on Twitter. I will whitelist you on my direct message list. When I pick a stock, it comes to you as a text. You get it in real time before the market moves. You're in, like Priceline was not even moved this morning, it was up $5 when we got in. You know, it was at $3 worth of monthly call on it. I mean, it tagged 6. You know, just on the first swing. Then it pulled back, and it did 6 again. You could have gotten again at 3. It did it twice today. It did it twice. TZ Trader killed it. Awesome. Hats off, props off to Mr. TZ Trader. You know, he was a first trigger puller on Priceline, and he's stalking it to get back right in it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's going to do it right again. Let's see how it plays out tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have a gap and go on Google, so all advice is to fill that gap and take that money tomorrow morning, whatever it gaps up at. It'll probably gap up 820 area, you know, anywhere somewhere in there. So it's somewhere in there, you just bam, you pull your trigger, you're probably going to be up 100, 200, 300%, whatever that is, you know, and then, yeah. And then we go on to our next plays. Let's cash out all of these. This is going to be money sitting pretty tomorrow morning. If you didn't cash everything out yet, cash it out in the morning. If it's a gap and go on Google, it's going to be plenty of money to go around. Cash that shit out. Now, then we get positioned for tomorrow's earnings. Tomorrow we got CMG. Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Kirk. Yes, Mr. Kirk, we're here. This is free education, guys. You guys are not paying a cent for this. This is open to the public. We hold this class every single night. We go over technicals. We go over charts. We go over indicators. And this is how our members have learned, our subscribers have learned. And there's some really big winners in here that bears repeating. Mr. Ryan, Mr. Nick, of course, Rocky himself today, and a few other members that really know how to pull trigger. Deja Pay, you know, these guys have really mastered the art of making a profit off of my calls. And just follow these guys. These are great traders. They're not greedy. They see profit. They take it. Yes, we'll get 1,000%. We will get all of those as well. And a lot of those come from raising stops. A lot of those comes from after hour news. A lot of those come from obviously having a faith in your position if you have a very strong position. So there's a lot of stuff that comes like that. It's just, and then of course you got to be lucky, right? So there's a lot of factors that play into the 1,000%, and they will come. But get used to taking the 20, 50, 100%. Yes. I know there was not really much movement from what I could tell. My subscribers were not in it. We banked it on Exxon. So as far as I know, INO was a flat stock today. However, we have a better stock for the Zika, and so we're continuing with that at the moment. Now, let's take a look. What else did we have today? We like coffee. You know, we may be accumulating a little bit of the coffee stocks. We like gold stocks. We've been killing it on the nuggets, as you guys know, well aware of that. We covered that. Oil pulled back, so we may have an opportunity again to go long. We'll just have to wait and see on the next bounce. And overall, you know, the guys, I said the market's going to 195. We tagged what, 194.80, something like that today. So we got really close to that. And maybe Google pushes us to the 197, 198, and then we reevaluate at that point which way we're going to go. So Twitter is looking obviously very exciting. We called the bottom at 15 level. We accumulated 16. And every time it gets to 18, it gets a rumor, right? Every time. Every single time it gets to 18, it gets a rumor. So what does that mean? Does that mean that rumors are going to come true someday? I mean, it's possible. But at the same time, it means that 15 is a bottom, right? 15, I mean, that's a really good bottom for that company. The company's sales are $2 billion to $3 billion. The company has good relationships, and the company fired a bunch of board of director people that weren't doing jack diddly squat, and it brought some new blood in. A CMO from the marketing department of American Express. This lady, she's brilliant. I just followed her on Twitter. So it's one of the really smart lady that they hired. You know, I think that at 15 it got cheap, right? So now anything over that, you know, under 18, maybe it's accumulation. Yes, sir. Yes. So it's an accumulation. I'm not saying, you know, pay $25 for the thing. I'm saying 15 to 18, you know, you guys have a chance here. Accumulate at this level. Yeah. And every time it pops up, you know, you got your profit. You know, but keep some, because obviously you wake up in the morning and Google's buying it and it's a freaking $40 a share, and you happen to have, you know, 500 shares. Guess what? You're a happy camper that day, right? I mean, you got a big vacation coming and you got freaking, you know, I mean, you're going to Europe. You're taking a vacation. I mean, you're having fun. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You're having a ball. You know, that thing gets taken out, and you got, you know. I mean, I stashed 500 shares, but if that thing gets taken over, you know, I mean, I'm partying like there's no tomorrow. You know. So exactly. I mean, but it's there. It's there, right? Facebook. There's only one guy in Facebook in social, right? There's only one guy in social. It's possible, TZ. It's possible. It's possible. But we'll just take it easy. We'll build it. We build it slow. Yeah, there's no rush. There's no rush. We take our time. Wait for the setup. Wait for the entry. I'll give you the setup, but you know you gotta see where you want, right? If it's going in the direction, you follow. Get off. Once you're off, then you reevaluate. Pulls back. You're in again. You know, just play with it till you get a feel for it. Yeah, once you feel for it, that's it. You're done. Deja's got a pretty good feel. Yeah, must follow him. Limit orders all the time, guys. All the time. Do not trust the market makers and put a market order in. They will F you. They will. It's just the way it is. Yeah, it's just the way it is. Limit and stops. Ryan has it down. Deja has it down. TZ doing really good. And I was teaching some of that to our friend Rocky today. Rocky, obviously, you know, is new to us, so he's been using market orders. But I told him to stick with the limit. So he changed that strategy up, and he got really good fills. He got a fill of 3 1/4 from a $2 entry on Exxon. 3 1/4 this morning, guys, in like 20 minutes. I was like, my God, you're good, Rocky. 320. Who sells 325 in 20 minutes on a $2 option? Rocky does. I'm like, hey, Rock, come on, Rock. Rock is good, man. I tell you, you guys are good. Honestly, you guys are good. I mean, I can give you the setup, but if you guys don't trigger it properly, you don't book the profit, the setup is not going to work, obviously. Yeah, there you go. Here you go. There you go, Rock. Rock killed it, man. That's why they call him the Rock. Yeah, he's freaking, man. The first day he shows up, he kills it. Yeah, exactly. So guys, that was excellent job. Anybody that has obviously not joined us, stockmarketmojo.com, click specials. You guys will join right there, and then send me a ad request on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. Also, like our Facebook page. We just got Facebook. Obviously, we were on Twitter and Periscope and YouTube, and we're like, why the hell not, right? Just get Facebook too. So I went on Facebook and I put in stockmarketmojo.com and nobody had it. I'm like, hell, that's reserved for us, baby. Let's click that shit. So we finally got stockmarketmojo.com on Facebook. Hey, that's great news for you guys, because the more followers and subscribers we get, the bigger the community becomes and the more powerful the community becomes. Imagine if we get somebody like Jack, or Steve Ballmer or some big guy joins our community. When we're just going to blow up, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's just amazing how much power of the community it is. So guys, like our Facebook page. Oh, and before I totally forget, go ahead and invite your followers on Periscope. Invite your other users, other followers, and other social media, and share our class. Yeah, share our class. Well, the thing is, I can work with that, Shannon. That's not an issue. A lot of it is managing it and getting it right and getting the setup right, and then the rest is just gonna come. So, I mean, these guys obviously were not born traders. They did their homework. They did their education. The payment is for the subscription, which is the direct alerts on Twitter. So it's a $1.99 a month, or you can buy the whole year, pay for the year, or you can do quarterly. Whichever way suits you. You got 3 different levels. And basically, you get direct alerts from me of what me and the fellow traders are trading today. I mean, direct. You can follow our trades. You can take our trades. I mean, that'll be up to you. But we send you the setup. This is what we're doing. Yes. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. So yes. So go, guys. Invite your followers. Welcome everybody. I know that some people are just joining us. Welcome. Bring in your followers of Periscope. Let's join in this class. And it's the power of the social media. So dust obviously goes up when gold goes down. You're conservative, and gold is on a good run right now. We're killing it in the nugget. absolutely killing it in Nugget. 100% up from last week on Nuggets. Yeah. So really, that's where we're at. That's where we're at on the Nugget. And it's still making a move. Still making a move. A lot of my friends and a lot of the subscribers here, they're starting between 5 to 10,000. I know TZ Trader runs 10K or a little bit more than that. That he mentioned that, and Ryan, and a lot of these guys. But I mean, nobody's trading here with $1 million. I mean, we're doing it conservatively. Yeah, I mean 5 Gs, 10 Gs at the most. At the most. Yeah. So But really, guys, if you missed the Priceline alert, you double your money. If you missed the Exxon alert, you basically missed 70%. If you missed the Google alert, you missed, I don't know how many percent is going to go tomorrow. Few 100%. All right. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right. He's a great actor, right? He's a great actor. All right. Okay. So it's stockmarketmojo.com is our site, but the trading site, of course, for myself, I use eTrade Pro. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Rocky hit that. Today. Yeah. Well, I mean, the testimony is given by the subscribers. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah. StockMarketMojo.com. Sign up, guys. Ryan can tell you. Ryan's been with me for a while. Obviously, TZ Trader, Rocky, Nick, if he's in here, Deja Pay. I mean, these guys are regulars. They'll tell you what they've been doing. I mean, I don't have to make anything up. It's all on Twitter. It's all documented. At the end of every day, I put some of the stuff up there. You guys can see for yourself. Yeah. And Twitter, my Twitter handle is @NaviAvatar1. It's at the top of this broadcast. And at stockmarketmojo.com. Michael Corleone, Don Corleone, you see. Why you don't come to me? Come to me. Come to the Corleone familia. Oh, TZ Trader! Trader is crazy, man. Trader's crazy. Trader's crazy, baby. Trader's crazy. So you like my? You're saying you like my name? My name is Navi. It's an Indian name. It means a navigator, right? So yeah, it's not gay or anything. It's ancient language. Okay. All right. So somebody, you're trying to be interrupt us. So we'll get rid of that. Okay. All right. So what else do we have? Good. No, he's done. Yeah, we're running a class here, guys. We don't have time for that, right? They got him next door. They can go over there and do all that. Yeah. No, he's out. All right. Good. Well, welcome, guys. Today we have a good crowd. Everybody want to play the Google earnings, so they're here. They want to know what up. And please invite your followers. I know a lot of people have Periscope followers. Invite us to this class. And yes, we'll go over Apple. Mike Apple's looking good. Welcome. Yeah, exactly. No worries. Don't worry about haters, guys. We're a class. Obviously, we're open to the public. People go in and out, see what the class is all about. Okay. All right, what do we have? How much can we expect to make weekly? Most of us, as you know. It all depends. Shaq is not doing good. Okay, transfer internet. Okay, let's see. Coming fast. Okay, so more just some negativity. Let's get these guys out of the room, and let's talk real stuff for people that want to get education, and they want to know what education is all about. Okay. All right, let's welcome some new players, some new guys that are just joined us. Alex, welcome. Jose, Sam, Mob, Eulogio, Bob, Alex, Pincini, Betula, Goksu, what up? Aaron, do it big. All right, great, perfect. I don't follow that one, MLMS. I don't follow that one. So Apple. It bounced on Friday, so I'm still long Apple. I like Apple. I think it will continue. Yeah. No, I don't speak Russian. We will know today of the some oil reports in the evening. See how they're doing. I would say obviously watch our classes every night and follow us on Twitter at NaviAvatar1 and sign up. StockMarketMojo.com. That's how I would recommend for you to do. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody speak Russian? I think they can help M31BE. Yeah, maybe, huh? Exxon? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Is looking good, Deja? Deja, it could be a bad stock squeeze on that. Yeah. I mean, it could be a big short squeeze on Exxon. So, we were at a good cost, 29, 29 change, 29.50. We're good. Yeah, we're good on that. That's why it says short squeeze. Just raise your stops, right? And, yeah, it's going to squeeze and it's going to be like, man, it's going to be awesome. Apple's good. Yeah, every day. Every day, If we see 20, 50% profit, we'll book it. Yeah. G is looking okay. G's looking okay. Yeah. Yeah, 216 billion, remember they created 60 billion in debt, Kiflu. Take a look at the debt. That's going up. Starting to recommend Doe.com to learn options. Oh, good. CJ, good. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. All right. You said it depends how much money we can make. How so? Obviously it depends, right? I mean, on the market conditions. Yeah. Everything is on market conditions. If the market is in your favor, like today, obviously my TZ trader, he made $1,000 just on Priceline today. Just $1,000 just on Priceline. So just it's up to you. No, I've worked for myself. StockMarketMojo.com. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'm here to help investors and traders. Just trader education, free education, free classes. We don't charge a dime for them. We hold them every night, And but if you want to be part of our team, as far as you want to be getting the alerts, you want to know what we bought, what we sold, that kind of information. Sure, we can tweet that to you direct as a text message. It comes on your phone. You have it. It's just like a text message. And it's $199 a month for that service. You could sign up, stockmarketmojo.com, and get started, and we'll hook you up. Invite your followers, guys. Invite your followers. And thank you. Rocky, thank you so much. Rock, I have respect for this young man. This young man is starting out in trading, and he's still learning, but he's got a hunger to learn. And you should see some of the stuff that he sent me today, the testimonials. I'm going to, hopefully put it on the website for everybody to look at. But right now I put it on Twitter so you guys can take a look. Okay, hey, from Lithuania. Hello, Sergey from Lithuania. All right. Welcome. We have Lithuania in the house, guys. Welcome. We have people from worldwide. We have fans from worldwide. Oh, I wear my lucky green shirt, guys, today. You see that? My lucky green shirt. Yeah. Yeah, Lithuanian, huh? Yeah, there you go. You're from Sweden. Well, there you go. Perfect. I love girls from Sweden. That's awesome. And then I have, that's. I have my friend from Sweden. He'll be here soon. George. Thank you, Rock. Thank you. Yeah, he's George from Sweden should be here soon. Yeah. Rabia. So I don't speak some of those languages, but if any of my followers do speak, please respond to them. Like the Russians, Turkish. Welcome, Turkey. Welcome. Appreciate that. Yeah, we fans from everywhere. Hello, Alexi. Hello. Good. How are you? Apple's not done. They just made 18 billion. Kiflu, the Apple marketer, is here. Great. Apple's going up. Good. Welcome, Saudi Arabia. Welcome. StockMarketMojo.com. We are a global website, global education center. New York City's in the house. Welcome, New York City. I've been to New York. I put some pictures up on my Twitter. Have a look. I could not spend $1 billion in my lifetime. No, could not. New Jersey. Okay, New Jersey is in the house. I've been there too. Beautiful place. Good. How are you? Kiflu, no, he's got Samsung. Uh, much love, much love, much love. Arizona, all right. Arizona, I was just there. My kid had a baseball tournament. I went all the way out to Arizona. It's a beautiful place, Arizona. Oh, it was great. It's great. Weather's kind of rainy out today. Arizona, I went to Phoenix. Yeah, not far, not far. Phoenix, yeah. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. All right. Oh, we got a lot of new followers, guys. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Do share. Obviously, share our Periscope, share our class, our question and answer session with everybody. Yeah, my kid is a card trader, Deja Pay. Yeah, he trades cards. You know the teenager cards. They play the Magic and they play, yeah, the Pokemon, all that other stuff. Yeah, he's a card trader. Man, he does great. Yeah, he's like born to trade. I was like, damn, son, you better than me. It's like, shit, he's like sells it on eBay for double the profit. I'm like, dude, how do you do that? You know, you bought something for like $10, you sold it for 40 or 50. I'm like, you're crazy, dude. You're selling freaking cards like that? Oh man, he's good. He's good. I mean, the kid's like, yeah, yeah. I was impressed. You know, these kids, they know their stuff. Yeah, yeah. Google traded separately or not traded. So the two ticker symbols, GOOGL and GOOG. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. You can press that thing and you can have invite followers just like that. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, you can press that and you can, I think it says invite followers on your app and you get followers. So that's how you do it. Good, good, good. So anyway, who else we got in here? Let's welcome some new people. We got Max, Troy, Steve. Hello. We got Riff72, B Hawk, Brian Hawk is in the house. Mike and Joe, Ernstine Lawrence, Jaleel DeBose, Beryl Howell, Denver Lee, Skinny, Alexander, Annie, and Michigander 2. Okay. All right, so we got some new guys in here. B Hawk, all right, Mr. Hawk, how you doing? I mean, if you took a trade today, Exxon or Priceline or Google, you are sitting happy today. You are a happy man. How are you doing? Oh, Joe, thank you. This is the man I want to talk to. Joe K103, Mr. Joseph Koskowski. Welcome. This man is a great follower, guys. If you want to know how to follow somebody, follow Mr. Joe Kozlowski. If he is your follower and if he likes what you do, he will retweet you. He will like the stuff, and he is one of those people that encourages people that are doing good. He's a must follow, Mr. Joe K. Guys, must follow Mr. Joe K. If you need encouragement, if you need support, if you're feeling down, this is the guy that is there. He's like a rock. You know, if I'm having a good day, if I'm in a bad day, but if I make a good statement that he likes, he will retweet it, he will like it, and right away I'll be like, damn, Joe liked that. All right, you know, I must be doing something right. So thank you, Joe. Shout out to Mr. Joe K. Joe K103, I believe it's his ticker. All right. So everybody, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Great. You know, really a good supporter. He's a, you know, he knows he's a team player. He encourages people, and I really like that about him. Yes, thank you. Thank you. He's a great guy. So to answer Shannon's question, Shannon, whenever you're ready, you know, obviously hop on over, sign up. We'll get you in the room. You know, you're in the room, and you know, I can even add you to some of the pros that I'm working with. You know, and then you could kind of maybe share some comments with them, and know, you know, what these guys are buying, and then they'll advise you as well. But we have a great group of traders. You talk directly with me, and you know, I tell you my alert. You know, pre-market coverage, it all comes with that. All right, Deja. All right. Good, good, good. Thank you, Deja Pay, for your vote of confidence. We really appreciate that. Yeah, as far as the European market, they're still trading American equities. We can also buy the euro market. However, we buy stocks that are positioned to play in the European market, so they can take advantage of that market. Those are the stocks that we do buy. And primarily our stocks are listed on the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. So that's the ones that we deal with. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate everybody joining us in our class. The Google technicals look excellent. If the market has a follow-through day, Google's going to be up. The after hours, it tagged the 820 and even the 840 levels for GOGL, and it looks like that they may get close to that in the morning as well. So stockmarketmojo.com is my website. Please go and take a look at that, and you'll get all the details of myself and profile and everything else. Have a look at that. Yeah. Now, as far as Twitter itself, it's an accumulate at the 16-17 level. All right, there he is, Shannon 984. Awesome. This is what I'm talking about. All right. I'm following you, Shannon 984. All right. Okay. All right. What about Putin? You think he's going to do something? I don't know. I'm not sure about it. No penny stocks. Nope. Only New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. Yeah. Whose team? Oh, okay, yeah, trash. Yeah, penny stocks, yeah. Javier, welcome. Welcome, bro. How we doing? How we doing, son? Are you playing CMG tomorrow? Huh? Chipotle Mexican Grill, baby. All right. Well, I'm on TV. I'm a broadcaster. I've got 1,500 followers. Yes, you've seen me. Thank you. I'm on YouTube, everywhere. Yeah, YouTube, Periscope, Twitter, stock twits, social media, broadcasting. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I'm bearish too. But you know how they're going to do. They're going to run it up, take the puts, then run it down. So it's going to be like that, all right? We'll see how we play tomorrow. We'll take a look at it. Amberella, it's been in a downtrend, but maybe it did bottom, or maybe it's close to a bottom. It's getting close. Google, yeah, I mean, we're in there and it's up. We got in at 750, 746, and we tagged 823 after hours. Yeah. So, Mr. Ramirez, my family comes from India. That's where it comes from. I'm an American. Grew up in LA. Yeah. GoPro, GoPro's pulling that stock down. It's correct. Yes. It looks like RLYP is putting in a bottom as well. Yeah. Thank you. Apple, it looks to me like it's on the upswing. Twitter, accumulate around the 16 to 17 level. No more than that. Sell 18 or higher. Keep some in case there's somebody buys it. So we every day is a new day. Yeah. So we just go with the flow. Not bearish, not bullish. We just go with the flow. Whatever the market takes us. When the market was going down, you guys are look at our scorecard in January. When the market went down, you can see how much money we made. Shalom. Welcome. Yeah, that's what we do, Ryan. Ryan knows how we play. Yeah, when the market went down in January, we killed it. Our scorecard is on our website. Have a look at our scorecard. Our scorecard is on our website. Click on stockmarketmojo.com scorecard. You'll take a look. Yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, we like Fang. Yeah. Yeah, we both ways. We don't really discriminate. Yeah. So specifically to answer religious questions, we don't really are into religion or politics. This is a broadcast. I personally consider myself a spiritual person, if that's what you want to know. Yeah. But, I believe there's some good in every religion. We were discussing Buddhism the other day. Yeah. Weight Watchers is good. We like Weight Watchers. Definitely an accumulate at the 12 level. Definitely accumulate. I'm from LA, Roberto. Yeah, I'm from LA. Yeah. Apple stock, I would be a buyer at this level, at the 90s. I still think it has some room to go to the upside. I will be a seller over 100. So I'm thinking, like that. Yeah. No personal questions. Can't answer those. Thank you though. Appreciate it. Uh, yeah, my wife would get mad. Anyway, so what else do we have? Like Ryan knows. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Rhino. No, gold is good. Gold is good. All right, man. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thank you. Gold is good. Accumulate gold. Accumulate. We're up 100% on nuggets. It's not even, what, 2 days? Nugget we got in like Thursday, Ryan. Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah. We're up 100% on nugget. Yeah. Oil is good. Yeah, we made money. We made money on oil Friday. We killed it. And that's a pullback today. We may get back in. Yeah. We may get back in. Yeah, but we're doing great. Oil and gold, we're playing it like a freaking piano. Yeah. Pink, no. No, Mike. No pink sheets. NYSE or NASDAQ? Yeah, we swung it many times already. I mean, we got out, what? First time we got 50%. Second time we are in the pullback. So the second time today is 100%. I think Ryan might still have some. Yeah. I mean, in and out of that in an uptrend. Yeah. I mean, we don't let it go, and we're not going to let it go. Yeah. I mean, we have our setups. When they pull back, we get in. We ride them. We have our setups. Yeah. The guys get the whole list. They have it. They know what to do. When to trigger. If I need to specifically point it out, then obviously I do that. But yeah. I'm not familiar with Ty Lopez. No. Yeah, perhaps. The MX has been in a downtrend for a while, though. The banks, they're still kind of in a downtrend. They are bouncing around, but they are kind of in a downtrend. Yeah, the banks are kind of in a downtrend. Yeah. So that's been what's been going on with that. Yes. I'm a buyer of Disney. I do believe in the fundamentals of Mickey Mouse and Walt Disney and that franchise. They had a valuation come out on Star Wars today. Mickey, yes. The mouse, Walt Disney. And they said that Star Wars today, the brand is worth $10 billion. Just Star Wars by itself. So, Mickey would be it. Yeah, you gotta go with Mickey, right? I mean, Mickey's the best. Yeah, Mickey's the best. Google's number one, guys. And by market cap, it became number one today. I think we'll be number one for a while. Yeah. Periscope is helping Twitter. Yes, it is helping Twitter. What are your average on that, Mike? What's your average on Apple? No, I mean how much like what price did you buy it at? That's what I meant. Yeah, dollar cost. Yes, Ryan has it. Oh, it was never 143, Mike. Yeah, it was never 143. Yes, you can. Navy, CJ, you can. I have played them before, yes. Sometimes I turbocharge them, like a 2X ETF. I'll get something like that. Or the TQQQ, or if I'm bearish, SQQQQ, those go up fast. Those are like 3 times SQQQ. The SQQQ. Yeah, oh, shit. You could play SQQQ calls if you are bearish. SQQQ puts if you're bullish, and you get 3 times the return of a regular index. 3 times. This is free information, obviously, for our members and subscribers. Yeah, it's 3 times. Whichever direction you want to pick. Either direction. Hey, I love McDonald's, baby. I eat there all the time. You know, like on the weekends, breakfast. I love that breakfast. Yeah, I love the Mickey D's. There you go. Navy CJ. I have a special place in my heart for the Navy. You know, I worked with the troops for a long time. You know, and Navy's is a special in my heart. Absolutely. Love the Navy guys. You know, and I have great respect for our Navy, for our naval forces. Great respect. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, I worked. I do consulting as well, and you know, I've talked to many of my clients. Have been the Navy folk, and you know, they're just top. They're really great people. Really great people. Thank you. Thank you. It's Ali. It's perseverance. That is a picture of perseverance. Oh, the breakfast won't kill me. No, the breakfast is good. It's healthy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I go there now that they have the 24-hour breakfast. You know, I pick up the pancake, or I pick up the kitty. The kids like the McGriddle with a milk, you know, and that kind of stuff. Yeah, so it's for the kids. It's really good. Chocolate milk sometimes regular milk, you know. But point of it is that I gave you guys Mickey D's at 118 on Thursday. I mean, or last week, sometime midweek, at 118, and I mean it's killed it. Yeah, it's killed it. What? Every day is up. Every single day. It hasn't gone down yet. Market is down and Mickey D's is up. Yeah, it's just. Yeah, well, to each their own. Absolutely. You can be healthy. You can be healthy, but hey, I grew up at McDonald's when I was a kid. You know, it made me happy, and that's it. Yeah. But anyway, we're talking about investing. And as an investment, as a trading vehicle, McDonald's is really good. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Thank you. We always appreciate prayers and blessings. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. Tammy, thank you. Tammy really knows what's up. Yes, relatively new trader. Join our team. Join stockmarketmojo.com. Let us help you achieve your potential. stockmarketmojo.com. It's at the header of this broadcast as well. Yeah, Stock Market Mojo. Mojo simply means momentum. Whichever way the market is flowing, we are not going to go against it. If the market is going down, we go down right with it. If it goes up, we go up with it. And we make money both ways. Whether it's going down, we make it. Whether it's going up, we make it. Doesn't mean anything for us to go down or go up. We flow, we go with the flow. Some of them, not all of them now. Yeah, the McDonald's, but they're doing good. Yeah, absolutely. Oh, we're long Google. Right now we're long Google. Right now we just went along today at 747, and it's at what 800 or over that. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes it costs. Yeah, obviously, you know, depending on how expensive the stock is. But I believe that an average investor or a trader, specifically, if they wanted to trade, they could start with something like 5,000 maybe, would be a good place to start. Amazon, we played that last week for 150%. Currently, we're not in it. We're watching for a pullback. Yeah. Ever since we left Amazon, it's got nothing but taking a dive. It's like, Navi, come back. I'm like, nope, I ain't coming back. Wait till you fix yourself before you wreck yourself. I told Amazon. I said, you got to check yourself before you wreck yourself. Right now, Amazon wrecked himself. Thank you, Team JJJ. This is what I'm talking about. Sharing. Let's share the knowledge. Invite our Facebooks. Invite our Twitter. Invite our Periscopers. That's right. Yeah, I mean, they already crushed it. Thank you. Thank you, Tammy. Tammy knows what's up. Amazon crushed Walmart already. That's all. That's last year's news. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Yeah. That's right. That's right. 300 stores, laid off 10,000 people. I mean, more than that, I think. Walmart is not Walmart that it used to be in the 90s. Am I right or am I right? They took out Kmart, they took out Sears, they took out Gemco and Jody's and every other thing that was around when we were growing up, right? Is that right or is that right? Zody's. Anybody remember Zody's when we were kids back in the 80s? Our mom used to take us down there. Yeah, they took those out. Who took them out? It was Walmart. Mervyn's, you see them. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You know what's up. Walmart is not Walmart. Yeah, Montgomery Ward. Yeah. Yeah, 90s. 90s, they took everybody out. 2000s, Amazon is hitting them. Yeah, 2000s, Amazon's hitting them. Yeah, they're going down. I mean, they may survive, obviously. They're going to survive because they took everybody else out. But, you know, it's surviving versus thriving, right? They're thriving as investors and traders. We want to buy companies that are thriving, right? Or do you want to buy companies that are flat or going down? So the key is companies that are growing. Yes. Sirius, I don't follow that. Sorry. Yeah. They could. I mean, it's corporate, right? I mean, anything can happen. I don't know if they would intentionally do it, but obviously anything can happen. So the website itself is pretty straightforward. I don't know if that's too complicated. However, if you do come across something that I need to explain to you, please send me on a question on Twitter. I can answer that, or of course in the broadcast, I can answer that as well. But this website itself is pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you got to click a button, put your credit card number in, sign up, you know, and then any questions obviously you have about the trade, I can answer those for you. You know, yeah, Amazon will be good. Amazon is going to be fine. It's going to be fine. That's the growing company. Yeah. Oh, good. Good. Okay. Team JJJ, thank you. Thank you for visiting us. Yeah, Amazon is fine. Amazon I'm not concerned about. I'm concerned about their competition. Their competition not doing good. Yeah, I would be bullish on Amazon, bullish on Google, bullish on, you know, most of the, you know, the Facebook. I would be bearish on the banks, you know, and things like that. Generally, this is just generally. Yeah. Amazon can make a profit anytime they want to. Eric, welcome. Hello, Eric. Yeah, Javier, Amazon can make money anytime they want to. They just choose not to. They are investing in growth. You know, it's going to come fully juiced up, so let them prove themselves. Yeah, let Snapchat prove themselves. I would not be a buyer on the IPO day. Yeah, wait till they prove themselves. You know, if you obviously you bought Twitter at IPO, it was 42, right? If you bought that, you know, and then what is it down to 17, right? So I mean, the IPOs are kind of high risk. Oh, Tammy's got a lot of experience. Tammy, all right, you go, girl. Tammy's awesome. I'm following Tammy now because Tammy knows her stuff. Okay. Yeah, Snapchat's great. Snapchat's great. Yeah, Facebook tried to buy them. The Snapchat said no. Yeah, they offered him $2 billion. Snapchat's like no. Yeah, you're welcome. Snapchat's growing real fast. My kids use it. Yeah, all the kids use it. You know, it's a very, very popular. Snapchat's very popular. Yeah. Yeah. See, GoPro, IPO, same thing. Yeah, IPO. You know, they gotta prove themselves. They gotta be profitable. They gotta grow. They gotta make money. You know, it's a lot of stuff. Yeah, you pay with a credit card. Yes. So when you sign up, you put in your credit card. Yes, on Mojo. Yes, sir. Just put in your credit card. Yep. Yep. Put in your Visa or MasterCard, whatever card you want. PayPal takes your card and converts it into PayPal. Yeah, PayPal takes all cards. Yeah, they take all cards. Yeah. 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 Just put that in. Put your card in, and you're ready to rock. Yeah, you're not gonna have any issue. Yeah. Yeah. So you go click on specials. I'm gonna show it for Shannon. You click on specials on the website stockmarketmojo.com. Okay. And on the website, either one, you can go the yearly for 1,500, you can go 199 a month, or you can go quarterly 575, whichever one you want to go. You click that and it takes all of these credit cards. Here, I'm gonna put this up. MasterCard, Visa, Amex, Discover. It takes any card you have. And it's a PayPal system, and PayPal takes any of these credit cards. So you have no issue with that. Yeah, no issue. That's stockmarketmojo.com right there. Yeah, there you go. Guys, that's what it looks like. There you go. All right. So I'll bring this around. Okay. So, yeah. Shannon, you shouldn't have any issue. We'll get you signed up, and then send me a direct message on Twitter at NaviAvatar1, and that way I'll add you to the whitelist, and you're in there, and boom, you get a pre-market coverage. I'll send you even today, so you take a look what we did today on the pre-market coverage, and then you get your daily alerts. You're ready to rock. I'm gonna put the battery recharge on in here. All right. Let's see. How do the futures look for tomorrow? Okay, anybody want to know how the futures are looking? You go to investing.com, pull up futures, and let's have a look. Right now, it looks like we're down about 6 points on the S&P. That's what it looks like. Let's look at the real-time commodities. Let's have a look at that. What do we got? We got gold still trending up. And we got oil kind of flat to down a little bit. This is what we have in the futures currently. Yeah, I'm really liking that partnership, Sports King. Yeah, Periscope, to me, it's a fast growing company, and I believe that Twitter may end up even selling Periscope, but because it's become so valuable that Twitter and Periscope may be sold together. If I was looking to, if I was at NBC, news TV or whatever, big, network television, I would be a buyer of Periscope because you have so many, thousands of channels on there. You have some good broadcasters. Some of the broadcasters already have thousands of followers. So, Periscope is going to be monetized, guys. Facebook could be a buyer, yeah. You see my, obviously you see my show, stockmarketmojo.com. It's a daily show. You can see the audience growing every day. And you can see we're talking monetizing. There may be a ticker down here, with a Google ad or something like that running down here that will be able to be monetized. So that'll be something that you guys might be able to take advantage of. So this is why Periscope is going to be so valuable to Twitter. And that is why the accumulation, that's what we said, to accumulate at the 16 level. So this is what our advice was, for our members and for myself as well, that it would be of value. So what's the best military system stock? So I like Lockheed Martin, LMT. Look into that. One of our customers has LMT, and that would be a good stock to look into. He's done really well with them, so that would be something that we would look into. All right. Okay. GoPro, Wi-Fi phone, then phone goes to data. LMT. GoPro users put videos on YouTube. Live viewing should be even better. Yeah, LMT, definitely, yes. Eric's recommendation, LMT. As far as military defense contracting, they would be the number one to go to for that purpose. Okay, guys, give me a second. Let me see if somebody needs me for a second. I'll be right back.
You made this deal that you were picking him up today. I already took medication where I can't drive, so you're supposed to wrap it up and get off of there. Yes, you need that.
You're going to yell over the broadcast? All right, I'm back. All right, what do we have? Buy the dip. Okay. So guys, I'll be right back. I got to get my kid from baseball, so I got to go run an errand, and then I'll rebroadcast here in a little bit. If you have any questions, send me on Twitter at NaviAvatar1. All right, and I'll be coming back in just a little bit. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Any questions, send me at NaviAvatar1. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.